Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a reverse swipe tonight. I just wanted to grab some Naples yellow because I think I needed a little yellow in there. Okay, so when we do a reverse swipe, we do a dirty cup, a dirty pour. Well, I call it a dirty cup. Let me pull my mic down a little bit more so you can hear me better. There. And then we pour the white around and we scoop it up over the paint. And it gives us kind of a marble effect. At least that's what I'm looking for tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray. That'll just release the paint from the cup. We don't waste any paint that way. Okay. So I'm going to mix things up because I'm going to put the white around the outside, so I thought I would start with some black. And I'm going to follow that with Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue. And probably after that we'll do the Naples Yellow from Artist Loft. And then I'm going to try, let's do the Premier Purple Violet, or Purple Red. And this is from AC Moore, is where you find the Premier paints. I love their colors. Okay, so then I have some Dioxazine Violet from Soho. And I picked up some Deco Art Berry Metallic. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and flip this cup. And while the paint's dropping down, we're going to go ahead and put white around there. All these videos are being filmed pre-hurricane, so you'll be watching them probably while our power is out. But I did want to get some videos done and get them uploaded and scheduled so that you'd have something to watch while our power was probably out. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. It's pretty. And then immediately I'm going to take this white and bring it up over. Now what will happen is the white's going to want to sink to the bottom. So it's going to push its way through all that color. And I like to let it rest for a second before I do anything else to it. And it's okay if you miss some. There's no rules in acrylic pouring. You do what you want to do. That's art. So I'm going to give it just a little torch. I'm just popping some air bubbles. Alright, and now we're going to stretch it out, and this is where you'll start seeing the paint colors come to the top. Okay, so I'm going to take it off the corner. I always push my paint back to the middle of the canvas to go where I'm going next. Now on the white, you do not want to use a craft paint because you may get some cracking. So try to use a better acrylic for that. Artist Loft has a white flow acrylic that works well. That's a little cheaper. Okay, so now we're just gonna, ooh, my fingers are pretty. We're just gonna kind of wait and see what it wants to do. See if I can show you. That finger is so pretty. And I'm gonna give it a torch, and then we're gonna let it rest for a few minutes. So what I'm doing now is warming up the paint to let that silicone rise to the top. Now we're just going to let it set. And I'm going to pause this video and we'll be back in about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and we did have a lot of cells come up, especially right through here. I still have a white corner there, so I'm just going to see if I can tilt it just a little bit. No, I don't want to mess up those cells. So we still might get something coming up through there. But I'm going to give it another torch. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on that little bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. And all those links are below. The Amazon shop for all your supplies. We have washing machine trays and these pads, the torches, the cups, anything that you would need for acrylic pouring is there, including the treadmill silicone oil. So, also Stone Coat Countertop resin. We have the Art Coat available now, and the code is below to save $30 off an $80 order. Just use the code CWA, all in caps. Their website link is below as well. And we also have fan mail now. You can send us a card or a letter or a gadget that you want us to try on the channel. And that address is Christina Welch Art, P.O. Box 863, Youngsville, North Carolina, 27596. And that is below as well. So I'm going to pick this up and give you a close-up. And it's still going to change as it dries. So it's really pretty. The colors are pretty. So thanks so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.